Now, Friday's developments appear to contradict some of the claims made by one of the police corporals in the case. Corporal Kirk Fraser, who was hiding for days after the shooting incident, got in touch with our news team for an interview to, quote, clear his name. Now, in the interview, Corporal Fraser claimed he and his two colleagues were not the shooters, but were in fact chasing gunmen in a Nissan Tida.
I heard explosion, so like gunshot. And I saw two men making a hasty retreat, running towards the roadway, where I thought I think it was a brown Tida, one of the Tida-looking Nissan car. Yeah, and the men jump in the car and the car sped away. We, knowing we are police officers and we are active police officers, and it's our duty. We heard the shots and saw the men. I actually saw the men with firearms. Yeah, run. We went in the vehicle, Corporal Williams, he was the driver. I was the person in the front passenger seat, and Corporal Ramon Scott was behind in the back seat. We pursued the vehicle. The vehicle